Started on Friday, I'd say probably around 8, 9 in the morning. It was just 7-mile winds, splashed against the restaurant, against the foundation, and eventually froze over because it was so cold because it went from like 45 degrees to about 12 degrees.
We have been through a lot of wars together, and this blizzard is the one for the ages. Certainly it is the blizzard of the century. And we are here to talk about our collaborative approach to dealing with this crisis, and it is a crisis.